Hey everyone, welcome to Guju Edition. In today's video, I'm going to give you a trending 3D text pack that will give your video typography a unique identity. But for that, you'll need to complete the target of 700 likes, and I will provide the link in the description. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.